Kieran, congratulations.
We're so proud of you. Remember when you were first born and yeah, wow, time flies. Now you're graduating 18 years later.
Yes. Enjoy your walk on stage and do your very best in college.
Yeah, be successful and don't be a follower.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Yeah, she's a trap star. Baby, I'm a dog like them pits in a backyard. I be on some other shit while niggas tryna act hard.
Are we ready for this?
Yeah, we ready.
We're ready.
Yeah.
Go Jackets.
Go Jackets.
OBH3 time.
This is it, bro. This is really it, bro. Real smart, real, what this is, real CCR.
Cause we almost gonna get that, man. Hey,
Real.
That's the bare minimum, man. That's what I'm saying. They scared me. Everybody's supposed to be career ready. What else you gonna do after high school? They say I'm street ready, man. They say I'm street ready. Damn. Damn.
Shit.
Yo.
God.
Advice do I have for the future?
Yeah. You a future high school graduate, you feel
Yeah,
me?
you know what I'm saying? Just stay in school, you'll be fresh like me and my nigga TJ, man. Go ahead, look at my nigga TJ. You know what I'm saying? They told me no jeans, but guess what? I'm a rule breaker. So
You still walking that stage, though.
you know what I'm saying? Still gonna walk that motherfucker. They just can't kick me out there.
They can't.
What is that?
It's a microphone.
For real?
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on me.
Come on me. What?
Legend. That's a legend.
Jaden McDevitt.
I got you free tacos anytime you want. Anytime you want. Bro, they say no jeans, bro. You can't walk. Oh, we can clearly see them jeans. Alright. You want a picture with them?
Hey guys, get my shoes in the video. Okay. So, you gotta ask me a question.
Where's your voice?
I lost it at a music festival. Let me ask you a question. What was your favorite high school experience so far?
Probably going to playoffs in soccer.
Did y'all win?
We didn't, but we went to second round.
They went the second round though.
We went to second round.
Here's Sasha.
That's Sasha right there.
I'll do it.
Yeah,
Wait, I wanna get it.
that could be the thumbnail.
Okay.
It's not. The realest guy in my grade, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. If there's anybody that I'm graduating with, it's this guy right here, bro. This guy is so real, bro. He can keep it with you. He's gonna keep it 100 every single time. That's facts. Caleb Donahue, bro. What are you gonna do after high school, though? For real.
What am I gonna do after high school?
Yeah, what are you doing after high school?
Cybersecurity.
Cybersecurity for military?
For a private company.
Private company? That's what This is the richest kid in my school, guys. He got like 2 mil in his bank account, guys.
I got it's
love my
like
boy.
2.1, bro.
Love him,
Yeah.
I
Hell
love
yeah.
Shane Wharton,
Hell
bro.
yeah. I love you too,
Oh
Kieran.
my God.
Hey, 2K.
I'm vlogging too.
Hey, you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Hey.
Smooth right there. That's right. Right there.
Hey, oh, these red sauce moves, man.
Hello.
Yo, birthday
that's
vlog,
Michaela
birthday
right
vlog. Hey, power couple of you.
Yeah.
Power couple of you right here. Yeah.
Okay, what time? Because you live.
Hey, did I tell you happy birthday earlier? Yo.
Yeah, with the Chick-fil-A because I ain't eat all fucking day. Anyway, y'all ready to graduate today? I just did an interview outside. I feel like I'm about to go interview everyone. Honestly, yeah. Let's do it. What do I look like on that camera?
You look good.
Do I look hot? Check in with me and my twin. You know, the only 2 black Filipinos graduated in the class of 2023, you know? Yeah.
Valedictorian, you feel me? You feel me? Valedictorian. Look at this shit. Peep that shit. These socks polo too. You feel me? These ain't no panda but slide. Them bitches.
Call him Mr. Put this shit on.
That's so cool. Hey, I gotta get my shit right, you feel me? I don't know what the fuck going on, feel me?
You don't
Shit,
even know.
yeah.
Like, what we on? Cloud?
Cloud 19. Fuck.
Cloud 19.
You don't even know what that shit is.
I don't even know what that is. I don't even want to know what that is.
Yeah,
It's,
where your thing at?
I didn't get one, bro. This is so fucked up. So like, I went and bought my cap and gown and shit, right? And I hadn't opened it till this morning when I was going to get ready. Cause honestly, I ain't give a fuck. Like, I really wasn't even gonna come to this hoe, but I had opened it and it ain't had one in it. Yeah, I really don't care though. It ain't no big deal. It's not. I mean, I don't really give a fuck. Like, it don't mean nothing.
It don't mean nothing either.
Like, it's literally you gonna wear. I'm only gonna wear it one time. You feel me?
I might just take mine off.
Appreciate that.
No, I'm playing.
Valedictorian, all A's. You feel me? I ain't got my yellow thing right now because I take an AP grade.
Oh yeah, we're graduating. I'm gonna miss everybody. My boy Karen. Turn the camera on you.
Hey, we've been tight since what?
Sixth grade. Yeah, sixth grade, y'all.
I'm trying to see how this works.
I might go get one.
Hey, say that TJ Karen. Yeah. Hey, all three Karen.
Yeah, what's up? This is Trinity Rhodes live at St. Martin High School. Bitch, I'm graduating. That's what. It wasn't recording. Oh,
We made it, bro. Yeah, we used to be weird as hell, bro. But now,
Weird, bro.
we're weird, bro.
Let me sign this. This yours?
Yes. Sign it,
Let me
bit.
sign this. Hey, this signature's gonna be worth like $2 million one day, bro.
Yes.
What you doing, bro?
Get big, bro. Get big.
What you doing, bro?
Man, fuck this school, bro. We finally out this bitch.
Let me get this. Let me snatch this. Oh yeah. Like have it.
Man, my high school, 1 out of 10, high school is overrated. If you hang with these people when they're yellow, they fat. You know, we not trying hard. Advice for the youth: have 2 best friends that you grown up with, and don't get rid of them. That's this one, mine this one, and that one.
How much you pay for this?
I paid like 5 racks.
Is it real?
Yeah.
Where the diamond tester at?
Do you have one?
I got the diamond tester right now. You ready?
Yeah, you're hilarious, bro. You're hilarious, bro. You're also like 300 pounds.
Actually, not.
My name is Seth Betancourt. He said Betancourt.
What's your advice to the youth?
My advice to the youth: just stay in school. Don't do something you don't want to do, and be a millionaire. Easy.
Be a millionaire. Hey. What's the move after this, bro? We going back to sleep.
None fun.
Let's
I got shit
sleep.
to do tomorrow.
You got shit to do tomorrow. What you got to do? Everything.
Military though. You see me out there, man.
We gonna see you. Hey, thank you for your service, sir. Thank you.
I'm about to graduate and I'm pretty nervous, but I'm also excited to get done with high school because I want to move out of Mississippi and get on to bigger and better things and leave a small town behind.
Exactly. Now other people won't understand that, but I do.
Yep.
Hey, class 2023, we come from the 50, baby.
We're good. Where he at? There you go right there. Put the camera on him. I ain't got to fight with 2 hoes, 3 hoes in middle school. I ain't lying. But hey, I'm out there bit, no cap.
All right, man. That's signing off. I'm finna go walk the stage. Ho. I like to thank everybody, bro. The graduation's still going on.
Don't vape in the restroom; it'll kill you.